Bitfinex going down tomorrow, January 7th, 2019. Hello guys, welcome back into the channel. My name is Rob. I just wanted to give a friendly reminder for those trading on Bitfinex or Ethfinex, or those watching the Bitfinex margin positions. Tomorrow, January 7th, 2019 at 10 a.m. UTC, Bitfinex will be down for 7 hours as they complete their data migration from the cloud servers they've been using to their dedicated bare metal servers that they have set up. So in preparation of tomorrow, if we look at margin positions on Bitfinex, the margin shorts on Bitfinex seem to be exiting their trades, whereas the longs aren't quite as concerned about being licked when the service comes back up after that 7-hour period. So if we look at Bitfinex's official announcement here, on Monday, January 7, 2019, Bitfinex and Ethfinex will be offline for a duration between 3 to 7 hours as iFinex completes the final stage of its data migration to dedicated bare metal servers. Why are they doing this? Increased speed, advanced security, so faster response times from Bitfinex, as well as more advanced security coming out from this bare metal server infrastructure. So for traders, all funds will remain safe and unaffected throughout the entirety of the migration. It will not be at risk at any point throughout the update. No orders will be executed during the downtime. Users will not be liquidated during downtime. However, traders should be aware that if the price moves significantly during this time, they are at risk of liquidation as soon as the platform is reopened and should therefore take necessary precautions. So nobody will be licked during the 7-hour period of the migration, but as soon as the service opens back up, if you hit your lick price, you will be licked, and that is why we are seeing the shorts drop out here. It's interesting that the longs are staying as ticked up as they are in terms of Bitfinex margin here, but the shorts are definitely getting out of their trades at this point, the margin shorts on Bitfinex. It'll be interesting to see how many of these come back in after the service is back up. That'll give us a better gauge of the true amount of people that want to be in margin short positions on Bitfinex. So I just wanted to get this friendly reminder out there for those that are trading on Bitfinex or Ethfinex, and also for those watching these margin positions. If you are seeing the big drop in margin shorts on Bitfinex, it's more than likely a lot of it is due to the fact that tomorrow Bitfinex will be down for 7 hours, so people just don't want to deal with that risk where they can't move their funds, can't close their trades for 7 hours, up to 7 hours. So just mitigating the risk by getting out of the trade beforehand. I'll leave a link to the official Medium post here for those that want to read the full thing. But yeah, like I said, I just wanted to make everyone aware, because, you know, it always sucks if you are a trader on Bitfinex. It sucks to get caught pretty much with your pants down if you don't know they're going down for 7 hours and you go on and try and make a trade. You can't, so please definitely be aware of it. But that's going to do it for me for this quick update, guys. If you enjoy these quick updates, make sure to drop a like, and if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell to sometimes be notified, just depending on how YouTube is feeling. That's going to do it for me. I'll see you in the next one, and as always, stay living that crypto money life.